It's overland time, baby. What's up, guys? All right, we're ready to go.
So we made our way to Austin, Texas. It was about a 3.5 hour drive because we made the obligatory stop at Buc-ee's in Bastrop, Texas. As you can see, the fog was rolling in really hard this morning and Austin was completely engulfed. But that wasn't gonna stop us from having a good time.
Picking up a JetBlue pillow because I forgot my pillow. And then say hey to Jed.
Hello.
We're about to hit the Hill Country
Trail. We just made it to County Road 310 on Highway 71. This is the beginning of the trail entrance for the Texas Hill Country route. We probably don't need to, but it's been raining pretty much all day since we got here. So the roads are kind of looking like this. But we're gonna go ahead and just air down for the sake of it and get to starting on the trail. I'm at 37.5. He's driving a 2018 F150 XLT 4x4. Again, we probably don't need to do it for this route, but we're gonna test out how our vehicles handle and see how smooth the ride goes on 30 PSI. As we got started on the trail, we were greeted by some local wildlife. It was awesome to see the contrast from where we just were, the highway, and then seeing all this glorious country back roads. Once we started hitting the dirt, that's when the fun began. We saw others enjoying the trail as well. This is a very well-known Texas Hill Country route, and we were greeted by a couple of small little water crossings, just getting my feet wet a little bit, enjoying the views. I couldn't have asked for a greater start to the Texas Hill Country Overland route. Alright guys, we have made it. Dos Rios RV Park. We are here. We made it at 4:22 p.m. We left at 6 a.m. this morning because Ben forgot to buy stuff. What's up, fellas?
Say cheese.
It's not a picture. This is Jed's tent and for Nemo. And then this is my mansion that I have to share with this guy.
Ruining my,
This is our view, guys.
So the next day we packed up camp, ate breakfast, and headed on out. We still had a ways to go before finishing the trail. Before we did though, we dived off to the side of the road and found a little off-road obstacle. You can't really tell from this video, but it was really steep. But unfortunately, due to the wet dirt and my stock tires and having a two-wheel drive, unfortunately, I got stuck in the middle and could not complete that hill climb. You know, with better tires and some momentum, I probably could have gone it, but you know what? It's all good.
Probably just turn back before we go down a hill that we can't get back up.
And before you dog me on having a two-wheel drive, I didn't have the insight to purchase a four-wheel drive because I didn't think I was gonna be off-roading in my lifetime like this, man. But it's really fun. Eventually I have a four-wheel drive.
Beautiful. Dude, how smooth is that four-wheel drive, man? Looks smooth.
All right, this is it. The James River crossing.
All right then.
This is the best shot.
Down by the river. River boy.
For it.
See little minnows.
Oh look, Brain eating a MOBA.
What? The James River crossing. We finally hit it. We had some fun here. Crossed it a couple times, hit it with some speed. Don't try this at home, kids. So we made it to Fredericksburg, finished out the Hill Country Overland tour, but had a great time. The buddies here. Get some good German eats at a beer house here before we head back to Houston. And I'm very excited to do more of these in the future so that, you know, we can go to some cool remote locations and just have a blast, make some memories, and do it all again. So thank you guys for tuning in. Y'all have a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Check it out.